Hi, my name is Jennifer Franchak and I'm a functional nutritionist. And if you're a busy, high-achieving woman in your 30s to 50s and you're juggling work, maybe you're an entrepreneur or you're really successful in your job and you have a lot of goals and ambitions, and maybe you also have a family and you're just trying to juggle all of the things that life throws at you. But you've also been diagnosed with one or more autoimmune diseases, and you're struggling with your chronic autoimmune flare-ups, and it's really making it difficult for you to achieve your goals and be present for your family and just enjoy your life. I have something for you. The Flare Up Freedom Blueprint Workshop is a live 2-hour action-packed virtual workshop, and you can do this right from the comfort of your home or at work. And during this interactive workshop, I am going to guide you step by step to help you create your personalized blueprint so that you know exactly what to do in order to take charge of your flare-ups. And in just 2 hours, you're going to discover what's really triggering your flare-ups, what's really driving them. And you're going to walk away with clear, actionable steps so that you can calm your symptoms. And you're going to get a personalized blueprint for healing that is tailored to meet your needs. Also, I'm going to make sure that you get several PDF handouts that I put together to help you implement what you learn, because I'm all about setting you up for success and for long-term success. This workshop is not about just sitting back and taking notes and kind of zoning out. It's about taking action. And together we're going to go through a series of steps to help you understand what your triggers are and build the tools that you need to feel like you're in control of your health again. And here's the best part. It's only 2 hours because I know that your time is really valuable. So I packed it with everything that you need to move forward with confidence. Now, spots are limited, so click the link below to find out more. You're going to see what special bonuses I have waiting for you, and I do have some really great bonuses I'm excited to offer you, and you can reserve your seat today. If you are an action taker, then please don't wait any longer. Your path to freedom from flare-ups starts here, and I can't wait to see you in the workshop. Click the link below.